Okay, same day, my aunt, one of the new members of the crew, I haven't showed her in a while, she found a tripod. So, we got a tripod. Mom, we got a tripod!
You ready for this one?
It's not oh dear, it's heck yeah! Finally, now you guys can get some better railroad train watching quality. Sorry. Yeah, that sounds over dramatic. I don't know why I was being that dramatic, but okay. Do we just...
You're setting up the tripod, mate.
Okay, so that goes there. Oh dang. It's a tripod and a selfie stick. Oh. Well, great. Your phone doesn't fit. Your phone just barely fits. We just gotta take this thick as heck case off. Which, like, altogether, it's like this thick. Guess you need to take this dumb case off. Well, that was a waste of time. Yeah, we just need to take your thick case off. That's all we need to do, Mom. Just take your thick case off. Thick case off. It doesn't even fit. Look at it.
That's okay. You just do it on the grass, though, baby, because if my phone falls, it's going to hit the cement. It's already got a crack on the back camera. Well, I know I heard a horn.
Yeah, I heard it too. Well, let's go put this thing away. And that was disappointing.
Oh, Mom, maybe.
It's not too easy to put away.
Oh, maybe we'll stop
Wait,
on
give it.
Elliot this time.
That train already passed. I swear I heard another one.
Pinched myself. So much fun. How do I even get this? I need to close. Oh, you just have to shove it in really hard.
I swear I heard a horn coming.
Great, now I'm bleeding. Because of this dumb thing. It's not too bad, but after all, it's not good. Especially considering this place is full of potential germs. I mean, trace amounts of anthrax and the dirt, dog poop, ants. Not good. Well, that is very fun. Second, I try and see a train. I pinch. Oh, I already put the thing in the recycling. Okay, well, this is fun. Before I even get to see the train, I got pinched by a dumb tripod. I'm gonna see if I can read the signals. It's coming from that way! I hear it! There's no way of seeing signals up there, and I can barely read. I know those two in the center are red. Yeah, like this is just, yeah, this is just a cesspool of poison ivy and whatever knows who, and God knows what. I hear it, Mama. No, they always. The train I just saw earlier came from that way.
From this way?
Yeah. Okay, let's just stay back, just in case.
I love you.
Hey, Mom, you stand back.
Hear it.
Hey, Mom, let's stand
No,
back.
I want to watch right here. Here comes Norfolk Southern. Got your camera ready?
Oh, you can see the heat waves out of the radiators. Now can we step back? Mom, let's step back. Okay, yeah, the intermodal cars concern me. I just feel like any second they could topple over. It's always nice to get a horn show. Or at bare minimum wave. My finger still hurts. Yeah, you know what's really funny? Like, you see like those BNSF train holders that like hold the intermodal cars. You like see the BNSF in this area. Like I'm in Ohio. Farthest they go, at least the farthest they say they go, is Illinois. Which they do actually keep that part quite well, because from Chicago to LA, the Santa Fe. I mean, they are pretty. Yeah. Oh my. Why was that oddly perfect timing? Mom, why was that oddly perfect timing?
Guilty. This one doesn't have a flag. You want to hop in? I'll give you a ride.
Yeah.
Hop on my back.
Let's just hope I don't bust my head like my brother.
You can stand up and hold out of my shoulders. Okay? Just set my phone in the middle. You good?
Yeah. Yay. Recording. Yeah, this tripod doesn't even work. I mean, it goes quite tall, but anyway, it's like a selfie stick.
Here, another one. Or was that the one we just heard?
Thanks, Mom. Just heard. Wee. So see, yeah, there's a railroad crossing down there. Now it's kind of a long train. It's probably.
Train too.
Plus, we probably miss like 10 to 20 per day.
Hold on, I have to drop your brother off.
Oh. What's up, Speed Racer?
I am not going to take this thing. Grandma's can is way too full. Who did that? Grandma?
She did it.
Grandmother!
Grandma, let's take it out.
wanted the box. I thought that's what, I'm like, he has it right here.
Paper galore. Bye guys.